Well, dear students, 10th standard, JCS English High School, Vijaypura, Karnataka. So, already dear students, our lesson continuation going on. In the previous video lesson, already you have got the learning points regarding the concept written by Shanta Rameshwar Rao. So, already I have given you some hints and you have read it. Next very important matter is that continuously we will go through the para-wise explanation and I will give you in details a report of the paras. You will try to understand, keep on reading, make and develop your understanding skill, and obviously through the question answers, short question answers, you share your responses and your understanding skill. And para-wise you will see, page-wise you will get all the word meanings. Go through it time and again so that whenever you will read the textbook, you should not face any trouble. So what happened? The concert, it's a very serious story. The boy is going to die, owing to cancer, whole family in tension. Yesterday we have already read till page number 88. Now dear students, 10th group, follow the board walk. 29, 11, 20. You will get this video 29, 11, 20. The concert by Shanta Rameshwar Rao. Concept of the lesson, obviously. Concept of the lesson is music. Learning points, narrate the story, pairwise explanation, mark the important lines, find out interesting words. Here, page 88, para 6, whenever they came to Bombay, the family stayed with Aunt Shushila. Her apartment was not big, but there was always room for them. They had come with high hopes, expectation, lots of expectation that Anand will be completely cured. Because in Bombay, you know, the Tata Memorial, really nowadays, miracle going on. Not nowadays, few years back only, anyone is going. If it is not very critical stage, then really they are coming back with the treatment until the end of the life they are. If they have cancer also, but they are coming back without cancer, and really the life become very energetic and enthusiastic. So that's good. Hope for the best for all the patient. Pray to God for all the cancer patients. They should be cured if they have it also. So they had come with high hopes for their son in the miracles of modern science. They told themselves that Anand would be cured at the hospital and he would again walk and run and even take part in the forthcoming table tennis tournament. He was a sports star. He was a music lover. So all these things, he had a long life to live. So that one, he should get back through the hospital treatment. With this lots of expectation, the family reached to Mumbai. And he would play the sitar and perhaps would be a great sitarist one day. But his condition grew worse. Condition was not good at all. Very worse means very poor condition, bad condition. His condition grew worse with each passing day, and the doctors at the cancer hospital said, take him home, give him the things he likes, indulge him, and they knew then that the boy had not many days to live. But they did not voice their fears. They laughed and smiled and talked and surrounded Anand with whatever made him happy. They fulfilled his every need and gave whatever he asked for. And now he was asking to go to the concert. The chance of a lifetime, that Anant was saying. When you are better, his mother said, this is not the last time they are going to play. When you will be little bit better, that time you will go to see the concert. Smita stood at the window looking. Smita means Anand's sister. Smita stood at the window looking at the traffic, her eyes filled with tears. The only brother is going to die, and for that brother, lots of expectation, and the talented brother, one side music lover, good sitarist, another side a very good sportsman. So Smita stood at the window looking at the traffic, her eyes filled with tears. Her mother whispered, but you, Smita, you must go. Your father will take you. Smita, you go with your father. Don't encourage your brother Anand to go. When page number 89, 10th group, page 89. When she was alone with Aunt Shushila, Smita cried out in a choked voice. No, how can I? We have always done things together. Anand and I, everything, both the brother and sister, they shared. Even when they played sitar, that time also they shared the same tune, lyric, any music, anything. So naturally it's a feeling. A walk in the park might make you feel better, said Aunt Shushila. Why don't you go outside the room? Please go and have a walk. Already have a walk in the park. You will feel better. Your mind will be more and more good, said Aunt Shushila. And Smita was grateful for her suggestion. In the park, people were walking, running, playing ball, doing yogic exercises, feeding the ducks, and eating roasted gram and peanuts. Smita felt alone in their midst. She was lost in her thoughts. Means she can't able to become comfortable, fit and fine, because it's a panic how to give enjoyment to his sick brother. He should not hurt HURT. He should be always happy. Suddenly, a daring, means a very different type of thought, a daring thought with full of courage came to Smita, and she hurried home. Hurry, she went home. She said to herself, why not? There is no harm in trying it. We can try. Why not? It would be nice to go to the concert. I don't know when we will get another chance, opportunity to hear Pandit Ravi Shankar, she said to her mother later. And her father agreed to get the tickets. Father told no problem. I am arranging the tickets. Let's go and enjoy Pandit Ravi Shankar's sitar, the great sitarist around the world, his concert, his program. Now you check your understanding through the short questions answers, page 89, 10th group, get ready. For a moment, Smita had forgotten something. What was it? Page 88 top. Smita had been so excited at seeing the announcement that she had not remembered that her brother was very ill. She had seen how the doctors had shaken their heads gravely and spoken words that neither she nor her parents could understand. But somewhere deep inside, Smita had known the frightening truth, the practical truth, that Anand was going to die. In what way was the truth frightening to Smita? Because Smita could understand that Anand would be going to die. Do you consider Anand a talented boy? Yes, Anand is a very talented boy, very much talented boy because of his sportsmanship skill. He's a very good leader, he's good in sports, music, and he is a very good sitarist player. They had come with high hopes. What were their hopes? That Anand will be 100% cure in the hospital after treatment and he will be fit and fine totally throughout his life. Do you think their hopes will be fulfilled? Hopes may be fulfilled. Why not? Nowadays, cancer is not a matter. Even long years ago, what happened that is different. But at least 10 to 20 years ago also, those who went to Tata Memorial, they came back with their complete cure, health from cancer. So, we can also expect that yes, Anand will be fit and fine without cancer. Doctor saying something to the parents. Were those words of hope or words of despair? We should not take it words of despair. We should think that yes, in this way, rest, medicine, treatment, afterwards some miracle may happen. They did not voice their fears. Who does the word they stand for? Here they stand for the family members. Mother, father, sister, aunt, uncle, etc. Her eyes filled with tears. Were they fears of happiness or sorrow? Her eyes filled with tears. Here it is about Smita. Eyes filled with tears whenever tears fall down, roll down from the eyes when she thought about Anand, her only brother. Suddenly a daring thought came to her. This is about Smita. She thought she should go with her father to the concert of Pandit Ravi Shankar and there she should get a chance to request Pandit Ravi Shankar and Ustad Allah Rakha to invite them to the home for the patient Anand, who is her beloved brother. So dear students, you read it completely. Try to understand through the question answers, methods and all. Thank you. In the next video, we will continue the next part. Thanks.